Just hope that stays up, because that phone stand is quite
snacky.
Yeah. The easy way to put it is, it's unstable. Should we say that? It's unstable.
It's unstable, yeah.
Is it falling off? I will pin that all up for you in just a second.
Right.
So did you find me easy enough today?
I did, because my friend got me in his car.
Okay.
And he's parked down the road playing on his phone.
I was playing on. Oh, you could have come in.
No, he's right. He's playing on his phone. He's got to sort out his car tax and.
Oh right, okay.
And he's had to write a. He rang the tax people up. Swansea, and they sent him a form to fill out.
Oh, what, the DVLA you mean?
DVLA.
Oh, wow.
Supposed to live there.
Okay, so are you sure you want a number 3?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, can you put it all in the bag when you're finished?
Put it all on the back?
Yeah, put it all in. If you've got a plastic bag, you can shove it all in. Yeah. I'm going to leave it out for me birds.
Okay.
For nest filling, as one does.
I don't think I've got a food bag. I can
Yeah,
put it
that'll
all in
do.
for you.
Yeah, that'll do.
Let me go and get the food bag then, because that's biodegradable.
I know it's a strange request. But...
It's not really. I've seen nothing yet. No, I have some farmers who come round and they say, "Oh, can you save some of my hair, or can we get some of your hair?" And they put it around the chicken coops to deter foxes.
Oh, really? Oh, right.
Yeah.
I didn't know we haven't got chicken. We haven't got a fox. Well, we have got a fox. We just very how do I put it?
Okay.
I catch him about 2 o'clock in the morning normally.
And I'm going to say it again. Are you 100% sure you want a number 3?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Was that the first time you've ever had that request?
No.
No, no, all right.
No, I just make sure, because I had one years and years ago when I was first starting out. This guy asked me for a number 3 all over.
Yeah, which I did.
And instead of starting at the back like I am now, I started at the top, and he freaked out because "You've ruined my hair." And it's like, "You said you wanted number 3 all over." And he went, "Yeah, all over the back and sides." I went, "But you didn't say that. You just said all over."
No, I just said all over.
And it was like, no. And lucky enough, I was working with my mum and dad at the time.
All right.
And my dad went, "No, you asked for number 3 all over. She done what you said." Yeah, he was going to hit me.
Oh, no, I ain't going to do that.
So now I just...
Go for it.
Yeah, I always specify 3 times I asked. And if you say no on the 3rd time, I get going.
It's quite long, really, isn't it?
It's very long.
Whoops.
But you said it was a year since you last had it trimmed.
The last time I had a number 3 was a year ago, yeah. Yeah.
So what made you want to go for a number 3 all over?
Well, I had a number 3 last time.
You had a 3 last time?
Yeah. I know it sounds crazy, but it was slowly getting on my nerves.
I can imagine.
Yeah. That's quite
I think your hair was longer than what mine was.
It's quite fine as well. It's some people have got not so fine hair, and mine is very fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you probably know.
So do you use your hair just for the birds, or do you use it for nitrogen in the soil as well?
Yeah, I do that now. I could sell it because it's pure white, isn't it?
I don't know if you'd be able to sell it.
No, I wouldn't sell it anyway.
So did I do your hair last time? Or was it one of...
I don't really know. I can't
You
remember.
can't remember?
I can't remember, to be honest with you.
I was going to say, was it
No,
Stefan or Lily?
I think it was one of the girls did it,
Yeah?
yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So what happened to the shop at...
It got very, very expensive.
Oh, did it? Oh,
yeah.
I understand it.
The cost of living and the price of the rent, electric and water.
Oh, right, yeah.
It was ridiculous. It was nearly £2,000 just for them, the rent, water and electric, before I even opened the door.
Oh, not good.
And I just, the building was just hemorrhaging money.
Yeah. I understand.
And so I made the difficult decision
to
come over to my house.
That's fair enough.
And you saw my builders.
Yeah, playing.
Yeah. They've taken the garage door off today, and I've had a front door put on, and
so that'll be your new place.
My garage is going to be my new salon, and I'll get my dining room back. My conservatory is my dining room.
Yes, I understand. I look human again.
You look human again. So what have you got planned after you're having your hair trimmed?
Nothing at all, really.
No?
No. No. I don't really know what to do, really. Just want to celebrate.
Going to celebrate having your hair trimmed?
Yeah. I told my friends I was going to the vets. What for? Right from anesthesia. Get my hair cut. What's the date today?
What's the day? It's Friday,
No,
1st of March.
1st of March, right.
Yeah.
So a year from today, I'll come and see you again.
Okay. So you're going to come and see me in the 1st of March 2025?
Yes. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
If I'm still alive.
Okay, so staff briefing after came home.
Between there's a reception for the departing Finnish ambassador. Well, nothing's at that point.
Yeah, I'll put a notice on the door so everybody gets to read it. Yeah.
Okay.
It happened rain.
And these two photographs.
That's a small biblical joke for Henry. Okay, I'm hanging out
This
now.
is before and after.
There's been an interview on God's book about St. Francis that I will
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Super duper. I feel
Let me just show you the back.
all lightheaded in there.
He was also sort of a revolutionary.
How's that?
He rejected any form of
That's
material
true.
Is that okay?
That's you. Thank you. It's still